me, Zoe, from Zoe's Fun World. Sorry, I couldn't bring Toy Train here because I'm in my mom's room. She has a rule. No toys allowed in her room, but I just hide it like in my, little house over there. So, today we're going to be unboxing Gummy Beardied Treasure, and it comes with gummy bears and a little mini plushie toy. It's not really a plushie, it's just a little mini pirate figure. So and also I have a little trusty tool with me. It's a ruler because it's really hard to open my bag. Okay guys, and I got this ruler. Let me open this thingy. So first, I already have, oh, never mind. Goodbye, I don't need you. Woo! Whoa, I can see the toy. Ah, gummy bears! Let's open up that toy first. Oh my god, this is harder to open than I saw. Oh, there's a little open hole. Ah! Can someone give me a fork right now? Cameraman, can you give me a fork? So now I need a little help from you. You got it open. Oh my god. It's a little Lego guy. Cool. I just look pirate. I just put his oh my god, it's open. How do you even do this thing? We got a Lego man. Anyways, right now we're supposed to get this guy a pirate look now. I think I need some more help with the shirt. Oh. It's like a little baby. So we have the collector's guide. Let's see who we got. We got Marco. Cool. I thought it was like a Lego man. It comes with some delicious gummy bears. Let's try one. Okay. I need help with opening this too. Wait. Ah! And guys, I had to get some scissors from my favorite new rainbow sequin school bag, and let's get my have a textbook. It says Born to Sparkle, and I have, of course, some Play-Doh, because you never know when I need it for stuff like that. And I got a little Hello Kitty pencil case that has two sides. The front side is where I have my crayons, and this side is where I have the scissors and one sharpener. It says Mermaid Vibes, and we have one more that says Rockstar, and we have 3 erasers, an owl, a fox, and an owl, and a balloon. We're going to be using these babies to help me. Oh my god, it's actually working. Oh my god, it smells like Welch's gummy bears. Ah! Those pirates are running away. Okay, I think I tried the gummy bears that taste like these, that smell like these before. Yeah, It's so chewy. It's like so chewy. I mean, cameraman just, wow, there's 2 different kinds of tastes in it. Look, cameraman, look at this. There's like 100 it in there. Oh my god, they're like super they're like so sturdy. I can probably break the cameraman piece. Okay guys, anyways, that's all that's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, click that little thumbs up, you see it? Just click on it.